City series cigars and Citrus 7s, black cement 3s, 4s, the hairs and bread 11s. No doubt that I'll be wearing some fire at any sighting. With these Dorenbecker 5s, you can see me in any lighting. It's exciting, I'll be flexing to the coldest degree.
What's up, everybody? It's Sneakerhead M Checks. I just picked up these. Yo, I don't know how to say the name. Is it Taupe Haze? I don't know. I got the 4s. The T Haze 4, that's what we're gonna call them. But yeah, these are scheduled to release Saturday, February 27th, after a big pushback. I think the original date was January 28th. I'm not really sure why they pushed that back, but anyway, let's take a close look at it. Now, I've been having mixed feelings about these. I know I can't be the only person feeling that way, but I'm hoping that doing this review will assist me in picking a side, because I'm still not completely sure how I feel about them. They got this cracked, glittery material along the toe. And as you can see, it's not exactly consistent. It's a lot more fine on this shoe right here. And that's followed by some suede in the toe box. Reminds me a lot of the suede that they use for the alternate Grape 5s. It's kind of on the thicker side. They got more of that cracked material along the lace holes. And you see it up here again on the tongue. And that is the front. Here's the side. And I'm sure some of y'all are wondering, you know, how the specific details are on this cracked material. So let's get real close so you guys can see exactly what's going on here. And let me know in the comments, how do you feel about this material? One thing about these though, that suede is lovely. Got the Jumpman on the heel tabs and a nice thick infrared colored tongue. Black on the interior, and we also have infrared insoles with a black Jumpman. Now I'm starting to realize that the infrared on these is what really makes the shoe, because these would not hit the same if they was just brown, black, and white. Like, they'd be okay, but this is what really does it. Here are the soles. The box on these is fire. I like when they get a little personal like this with the box, because I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of getting tired of getting every single pair of 4s in these boxes. Now, there's nothing wrong with these boxes. I like them. They're actually a must for OG colorways. But for a pair like this, we really don't need that. I much prefer getting a little, you know, box that really goes with the shoe. When it's sitting in your collection, you know exactly what box it is from, you know, feet away. You don't got to get all up close and read the label to know exactly what pair it is or whatever. So I thought that was cool. Okay, so I was a little iffy about these because of this material, and I still am. Like, they fire, but the whole like chapped lip thing is just not it to me. I mean, it's not bad. I guess it's different. I don't want to say it's weird, but it's just I'm not really a big fan of it. And it's not really growing on me the way I would like it to. So, I don't know. But, like, the colorway is crazy. It's just, there's so much of this on the shoe, too. It's like, it's right here, it's right here, it's right here. Right on the tongue, too. So, I don't know. It's something that's not easy to get over. I actually saw a picture going around Instagram where somebody stripped it of all of this material. But it actually looked worse that way, if you ask me. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of leaning towards copping. I probably will. But I gotta sleep on this a little bit. Nice colorway. Love the infrared. Really complements the brown. The suede is real nice and sexy. So I'm gonna think about it. Now, although these are gonna be a GR release, they are going to be hyped up because they remind a lot of people of the friends and family Travis Scott 4s. And after seeing what Mocha 1s did, I'm not underestimating any shoe that resembles or gets heavily compared to a Travis Scott collab. Because the Mocha's thing was really crazy. If it wasn't for Travis Scott's, Mocha's wouldn't be much more than like 300 right now. I don't even think those ever got below 400. And now they're going for like 5. Now, Travis is a powerful man. When it comes to the sneaker game, and I mean really just anything, but when it comes to sneakers, Travis is powerful. And speaking of that, I don't know if y'all noticed what's been going on with Jordan 4s lately, but a lot of the recently released pairs have started shooting up in value only a couple of months after they release. Black Cement's been going crazy for a while. Black Cats just dropped last February and they've been going crazy for months now. Fire Red 4s just dropped at the end of November and they already started shooting up. I've been jokingly saying this for a while, but it's starting to get more true as time goes by. Jordan 4s are the new Jordan 1s. Like, not really, they're not replacing Jordan 1s. Jordan 1s are still the most hyped Jordan silhouette by far. But 4s is right behind them. And it's funny because I remember like years ago when I first got into collecting, the most hyped Jordan silhouette was Jordan 11s. And people didn't really care about 1s like that. I mean, they liked them, but it wasn't nothing to go. It was nothing like it is now. And I don't know what happened. It's just like, I don't know where everybody was like, you know what? We don't really care about 11s as much. We like 1s now. And it's been like that for years. Like, people like 11s, but like, it's not like it was before. And I wouldn't even say 11s are second now. The way 4s are going, I'd say Jordan 1s are the most hyped Jordan silhouette. Then you got the Jordan 4s, and then maybe the 11s. But yeah, I do see a nice financial future for the Jordan 4. So this is a great shoe to hold on to. If you get the opportunity to double up or cop multiple pairs, you should definitely do so, because they will go up. And if you're getting these to resell, you should hold on to them for a few months before selling, because it'll definitely be worth it. GS pairs are going to be worth the flip too, so don't sleep on those. But good luck to everybody on the 27th. I wish you all the best luck with copping a pair. If this video was helpful at all, please tap that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and other sneaker related content. And make sure you tap that little bell icon so you can turn my video notifications on. That way you won't miss out on anything. Thank you all for watching. Everybody please stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll see you next time.